Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit the contact us page on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So as you can see guys, I am right now on my Shopify store. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the left and then go all the way down until you find online store. Once you find this, give it one click and then make sure that you're right here in themes. Once you're here in this page, if you scroll down, you're going to find popular free themes. If you like one, you can just click on add and then switch to that theme. So go ahead and click on customize. And then once you click on customize, right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit your site. And if you go right here, you're going to find the homepage. Just click on it and then go ahead and search for contact us. Once you type that, go ahead and click on contact. And then you will be right here in this page. So this is the contact page. Right here, you're going to find all of the elements of this page. And if you click on any element, you can then have the tools on the right that you will need to edit your page. So, for example, you can change here the top padding, the bottom padding, the theme settings, custom CSS, and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.